662 axles. I gotta keep that on.
Avenue, one track westbound, Q135.
A little wet.
Only slightly.
Yeah. Man, I was watching End of the Line movie and oh well. I love that movie. 40 footers. 20 footers. 50 footers. So I got 20s, 40s.
You know why the 20 footers are all single stacked?
Well,
Believe it or not, 2 of the 20 footers are heavier than the full 53 footers.
Oh yeah. They can still put some 40 footers on top like it is right now. Like those.
Yeah,
but yeah, I understand.
All it has to do with weight restriction.
Yep. Getting into the booties again. Ah, okay, there's a mid. I could have. But I did not have to.
But
I could have done this, but I did not have to.
Well, start with garbage anyways.
Oh man. Wait. You gotta move?
Who?
Wait. What's up? Hang on.
Who is it? K677?
K619. Just left and took the old main line. So he's on the old main. Yay! So he's he won't be here at about roughly noonish. Give or take about a minute. Alright, Lucas, that's a Big 10-4, K67719. Took on main line. That's a Big 10-4. Dakota and I should see him roughly around noon. Give or take about a minute. And Q135 is passing me now. I done that gear. I love those things. I love those toys. They're the fun to find writing. Hey, that's I know. But anyway, yeah, that's a Big 10-4, dude. Sweet. Finally, I can see an empty pipeline. It's been weeks. That's how I was told. Actually, more than weeks. It's been about a couple of months. Patience wins. Oh, get some beer tables. Excuse me. Jeez. 662 axles. Damn. Just shy as the last one. It was 670. I think it was. Alright, now the question is, what track can it be on? I'm about 80% sure you can be on track 1. Ish. Definitely good. Get the same going westbound.